Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Philips headphones and today I'm going to show you how you can easily charge your headphones. We have two ways of doing so. The first one is using a power adapter or power brick or just a charger as someone calls it. It looks like this. Now you have to prepare a cable that fits both in the power adapter and into your headphones. So, at first plug in your USB Type-A cable into your power adapter, power charger, power brick, and you have to have a cable with the USB Type-C ending. Then plug your power adapter, power brick or charger into your power supply, and now you have to search for the power port. Open that and plug your USB Type-C cable in. As you can see, now our headphones are charging. The second way is to use your phone. So at first prepare a phone that surely has the USB Type-C port and does support reverse charging, and prepare yourself a USB Type-C to C cable. The first part of the cable plug into your phone here, and now the second part plug into your headphones into the same charging port. And as you can see, now our headphones are charging too. Goodbye!